2016 Chevrolet Silverado 5.3. I got the third cat removed. No muffler, no resonator, with a 5-inch exhaust tip. As you can see, my truck's it's not cleaned up, but I wanted to make this video for y'all, for anybody that wants to hear this exhaust setup or maybe wants to give it a shot. I guess you could say it's, straight piped. It's not true dual, but it is straight pipe. Yeah, let me go ahead and start it up for y'all, that way y'all can hear it. All right, go ahead and rev it. It's pretty damn loud, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, like I said, it's a pretty much straight piped. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. It is a little bit loud in the interior, but combined with these XCOM tires, you can't even hear it. You hear more of the tires than the exhaust itself. But yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think.